Sturgis, South Dakota. I'm so excited to go in here. I have never been here before. I bet you they got some really freaking cool motorcycles. So let's go in and check it out. Up in the front here, they have a little gift area to purchase some Sturgis attire.
Do you want me to hold that up here until after the museum, or would you like to just? Sure. Okay, sure. We'll save it right here. Oh, you're still looking. Okay. Oh, he's still looking. Sorry, that's okay. You can take your time.
Look at this pretty blue bike. Oh my gosh. What a pretty blue.
I take comfort in you're not that far
And you can't forget to check out the beautiful wall art either. This I have seen several times and it is like one of my favorite. So we're gonna span at the bikes and then also span up so you can see the beautiful wall art on the walls as well. You guys have to make sure you come and visit the museum. Oh, that was wicked.
Can't wait for me to have a kid. We all go around with it.
These are freaking cool bikes, you guys. Look at this beautiful paint job on this bike. Wow, incredible. And check out this Peace Child bike. Oh my god. This bike is rad. That was a saying in the 70s, right? 60s, rad. Oh no, I can't remember her name. Check who is at the Sturgis Motorcycle Museum. My girl. So here we've got a 1991, excuse me, I don't have my specs on. 1991, it sucks getting old. 1991. And check out this 1982. Here's a V-Rod 2003 Anniversary Edition. Sidecar, 1985 with a sidecar. Then in here they just have a little seating area with a TV, with movies playing for like youngsters or something. There's no way out of this room, so we'll just turn back around and go back this way. go back this way. Check out this beautiful white motorcycle. It's a 1986 Softail. Wow. Beautiful bike. Here we go. Here we go. Perfect. Is that a paper mache? Wood. That's wood. I can't tell if that's wood or if that's paper mache. It's wood. Okay, it's wood. That one, I'm serious, you guys. It looks like paper mache. Beautiful. Check out that wood crafted bike. And then some old Triumphs, a 1956 Triumph Tiger Cub. Wow. $19.99 Indian Chief Custom. $19.52 Indian Chief. Those are some pretty heavy-duty bikes. For all you military lovers, here's a 1943 Military Scout. Wow, what a hunk of metal this is. This is a beast. And you got a 1938 Indian Chief with a sidecar. Pretty awesome. Can't forget the art, you guys. This says it all. This photo says it all. Love it. I would love to replicate this photo. I just am in love with this photo. Love it. Okay, guys, let's go on downstairs. Let's go check out what's down there. We got photos on each side of the wall going down. Hello. Outstanding Freedom Fighters Hall of Fame. They got some freedom fighters on the wall there with their plaque. A 1964 Triumph Tina. Honestly, I didn't know mopeds went back that far. What did I know? And it was purple. What is that? Like a lilac purple. There's some pretty cool, what is that, a 5-ball salt shaker? I don't know what that is, but this is a little bit of the racing world history, I guess. Again, some really cool wall art. Look at this cool one. Awesome bikes. Oh, guys, 1979 Kawasaki police motorcycle. Wow. This had some use. This has been used. Wow. Pretty cool. And here we got Some 1962 Sears All-State motorcycles. Interesting bikes. Interesting bikes. These look like they would have been very uncomfortable to ride. And then a 1949 Ariel. Wow. Interesting. Let's go back this way and check out what's in here. Oh my gosh, you guys. The USS South Dakota. Wow. Look at this beautiful bike. And I just want to say thank you to all of you veterans for your service. We couldn't appreciate you more. What a beautiful bike. Get up close and get the painting on this bike. It is just absolutely phenomenal. Look at the warship. Wow. And over here is a submarine. What a beautiful bike.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is our boat. Not in one way, but in three. First, for those of us who are South Dakotans, this is our boat because it shares the name of our great state. The people of South Dakota over the last few years have been filled with pride as they have met this talented crew and as they have followed the progress of this incredible submarine. There has been a connection made, and in South Dakota, this is our boat. Secondly, this is our boat as citizens of the United States. This submarine has been paid for by and is to defend our nation. It bears our flag. Its crew takes an oath to this country. Ours is the nation that can put this boat, the most advanced submarine.
All right, guys, let's go check out some more. Wasn't that freaking cool? Y'all need to come check this out, I'm telling you. It is. If you've been coming to the rally and you've never come to this museum, you're missing out. So make sure to come check it out. And what's this? Oh, this motorcycle had some trips. Come check it out. Look at this. There's handlebars. This motorcycle won 119 world records, rode 11,000 miles in 11 days, over 31,000 miles in 31 days, and 113.8 miles in 1 year. 1 million miles on this motorcycle. Wow, incredible. And it's sitting here at the Sturgis Motorcycle Museum. Incredible. Let's check out what's in this room. Couple Triumphs. It's a Kiwi Indian custom motorcycle racing bike.
Control it and control your budget carefully and make sure that you don't go over time.
Look at that cool drag bike. Sweet. Okay, and then to final it out, we come to these 1966 Hondas and a 1917 Cleveland, and over here a 1967 Dream. You know, I didn't even know these were such a thing back in 1967. That's kind of interesting. Very cool. And in 1910, you guys, a 1910 FN4. Could you imagine riding one of these? Holy cow. I couldn't. Nope. No, not a chance. This is almost like the electric bicycles that we have now. That's kind of what this reminds me of. It's like they're bringing back the electric bike from 1910. Totally cool. Okay, you guys, I have to say, I was very impressed walking through this museum. So again, like I just said, if you have not been here, make sure to get it on your list for when you come to the rally. It's a great time. We're gonna go up and we're gonna talk to the gentleman up top, and he's gonna give us the hours and the admission fees to come into the museum. So let's go on back upstairs and chat with them. Come on.
There we go. My fat fingers didn't work. So, you gave him his copy.
I did.
Hey, Paul Johnson with Sturgis Motorcycle Museum. Could you tell us a little bit about the history of the museum?
Absolutely. The museum's been in business for about 20 years now. We also are the Hall of Fame. We're open 7 days a week right at the corner of Junction and Main here in downtown Sturgis, South Dakota. We hope you'll come and visit us. We're open 9 to 5.
Okay, and what are the admission fees to?
First person is $10, $5 for each person after that. Kids under 17 and under are free.
Excellent, excellent. Is there anything, okay, you just gotta tell me a little bit of history on the Little Peace motorcycle.
Well, that bike was built by my buddy Rick Farrell's down in Dallas, Texas. He owns the biggest, baddest biker bar in Texas called Strokers.
Strokers,
And
okay?
Rick is a fantastic custom motorcycle builder and does a lot of wild stuff, and that is his trademark. The psychedelic bikes are Rick's absolute trademark.
I absolutely love it. I think it's a phenomenal bike. All right, we thank you so much. We appreciate your
Thank you guys
time.
for visiting. We appreciate it.
Thank you. And like I said, guys, make sure if you have not made it down to the Sturgis Motorcycle Museum during the rally, make sure to get down here and check it out. You don't know what you're missing. So until next time, I hope you have a beautiful and blessed day, and make sure to ride safe. Talk to you soon.